On?
Okay, good. Go.
Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Look for them. Oh my God, that thing is in the way. I can't get through the cage.
Damn it. I got it. I got it.
Get off.
Oh, shit.
Don't swear.
I'm not.
Get on. They're over there.
I got it.
Oh God, I cannot do it. Hang on. Get on.
Hold on.
Get on.
Go.
Where are they?
Oh, just right around the pasture. We got this. Stay around the pasture.
They're over there.
I'm gonna switch hands.
Where?
They're over here, right?
Where? Hang on. I'm going down for the opening.
Don't get 4-wheel drive on?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm not getting stuck. I'm just a little nervous to go up this because they're in there and I'm going to get cornered.
Go ahead.
Oh, they're in there. Oh, you're doing off the fence.
Go.
Go.
Hold on, slow down. Let me switch arms.
Again.
I don't know. He's right there. Open it. Oh, they quit.
Oh, who's that? Is Dad?
No.
Yes, it is.
Oh, shit, get off.
That's not what it looks like. Not what it looks like.
Cooper, shut up.
Shut up.
Here.
What are you guys doing? No, they're dead.
Oh, let's just get them both. We'll do it another game.
I don't have a gun.
Go grab it, quick.
Go down and get the sniper. Let's have a smoke.
I know. I'm coming. Do you want to use my
sniper?
Do you want to use my Dragonov? Come on up here, get it.
Spencer, where are they? What?
Come on, we'll go get them. All right, we'll get them.
So they betrayed you, right?
You want us to light them up good? All right.
The fat one, right?
That's not nice.
I don't sign up, man.
All right.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Well, might as well give him another nipple. All right, I'm gonna give him another nipple.
We're running to the bar. We hear you guys on the fly.
Don't open. Just keep it shut.
You can't open it.
Oh, you can't?
Yeah, why can't on the inside? It's locked right here. I can pull it open.
Open.
Dude, I'm so mad. Your dad got here and I was just like, oh my God.
Better get off.
Turned it off, I put it in park and I ran away.
His mom saw so. Wait. Whoa. Wait, Jeremy. Light up right through here.
Jeremy?
Go.
They might be gone. No, you can't open it. You can hear it open. There's another gate. There's another door by the pasture area.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Come on.
Are they out there?
No.
So mad though. That you're
Our plan was going good.
How mad do you think your dad would be? No, he's not. We should have told him.
Yeah, we should have told your parents.
Wait, they're in the driveway. Coop? No, it's just Coop.
Well, alright, Jeremy, we'll go get him.
Cooper! Come over here, Cooper!
I wish I invested in that airsoft grenade.
I know, right? We used to use it like a smoke bomb.
Yeah.
Brick wall, probably one of those smoke things at like the fireworks store.
Oh, yeah.
Little cheap thing. Well, Tyler, you might have looked cool in the video.
Yeah, I know, right?
No, it's on the stack.
Oh, no.
Well, get off. Cooper!
Oh, somebody.
Gosh, you can pull it open already. Do you want to put it in?
Oh, let me look first. They're right there. Don't open.
Cooper!
Want me to breach?
Alright, well, here, you open the door.
Yeah. Go. Get out of there.
I got hit once.
You're not dead though? Robert! Go over and grab my Thompson on the hot tub.
I'm holding the door. Cooper, go get a Thompson.
No, it's locked. Go grab my Tommy, quick.
I'm saying I'm gonna hold it.
I'll light him up.
Get out. Or do you want to hold it? Do you watch that side? Watch both. It's locked.
I need my Tommy. Go, no, go, take that back with you. Go, run!
What's going on?
We're holding him in.
What?
We're holding him in.
Let's let him out. Light him up.
Wait till I get my Tommy.
Right.
Jeremy! Germany! Jer! Come on, Rob! They're saying go through the back. Run!
They didn't bring a gun from stall.
They still in there?
Yeah, they're in the back stall.
Alright.
I can get in there, but they gave me everything.
Here.
I got one life left.
Okay.
What?
Here, let's switch out.
Jeremy, I got another mag. What? I got another mag. No, I'm talking one life. I gotta get hit one with that. They're right in the back there.
Right back there. There they are. They're right here. They're not getting out now. It's okay, just wait. Yo, hold this door. I'll breach. Hey, how you doing? Now! Oh! Go!
My bad.
You want another one? Breacher clear! Get down, everyone get down!
You got me right.
That's a win!
Caught me right in the nipple. Ah, you got me in my shoulder. Way to go,
Job.
Jeremy.
My bad, my gun was on safety.
I got them all.
Oh, nice.
I stuck it right in the crack of the door and shot.
Oh, that's the stupidest plan. No, man. Here, let's turn that off.